Compressed air is used in areas where contamination is not permitted. The winning solution is an oil-free compressor, MGF Pure Air. Since 1989, MGF has been working on the production of air compressors and high-quality vacuum systems, making innovation its corporate mission. Every day, we are engaged in a constant technical and engineering research aimed to develop a product well-crafted in all the stages of its realization. Starting from your requests, we design unique solutions, ensuring excellent performance in all application areas. For the production of every single component, we choose, for your benefit, high-quality raw materials. We use last-generation technologies, and we subject all our products to stringent quality controls. We trust and rely on the abilities of skilled labor for the later stages of the finished product. We take care of the smallest detail. We subject each piece to a rigid testing procedure. From the winning encounter between the most advanced technology and the reliability of the Italian artisan tradition, Pure Air was born, the new line of super quiet oil-free compressors of MGF. Pure Air is the new MGF line of oil-free compressors, a point of reference in the industry for quietness and air purity. Powerful, reliable, and silent, it is designed to produce hygienic air suited to the needs of the most demanding professionals, from the small laboratory to the large clinic. Excellent in all its technical features, the Pure Air line of MGF distinguished itself for the variety of solutions and for the vast number of models and combinations that allow to create custom designs at competitive prices. Discover on our website our complete range of products and services. Pure Air. Enjoy the silence.